Hi students, welcome to our channel Max Plus U. I am your Max tutor Subramanian. So good news for you all. In this video, we're going to complete the chapter 10 vector algebra whole worksheet children. Actually around 123 sums it was their default plus 5 sums if we added now 128 sums we going to complete. So we made 10 videos. In that we have covered 105 sums. Okay, so now we are doing the 106th sum children. All are board exam sums. So okay, find a vector of magnitude 5 root 2 making an angle of pi by 4 with x axis, pi by 2 with y axis, then acute angle with z axis. So how you are going to apply here? So we are considering L as cos alpha. So we want to find the acute angle for z axis. L is cos alpha. Alpha is what ma? Pi by 4. Cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2. M is cos beta. Cos 90 degrees 0. N is cos theta. Then what is the formula na? L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. So 1 by root 2 square plus 0 square plus cos square theta equals to 1. So we will get 1 by 2 plus cos square theta equals to 1. Cos square theta equals to 1 minus 1 by 2. So cos square theta equals to 1 by 2. Once cos square theta is 1 by 2 na, then you will get cos theta is 1 by root 2 children. Then when 1 by root 2 will come in cos, you check ma. Cos 45 degree it will come. So cos pi by 4. So theta will be 45 degree. That is nothing but pi by 4. So already direction cosines 1 by root 2 and 0. Cos 45 degree 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 0 1 by root 2 is your direction cosines. But they are asking you the vector. So vector A vector is magnitude of A vector Li cap plus Mj cap plus Nk cap. So the A vector magnitude, that value is 5 root 2. 5 root 2 into 1 by root 2 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 1 by root 2 k cap. Multiply children. 5 root 2 you multiply with this. So 5 root 2 by root 2 I cap. 5 root 2 into 0 j is 0. 5 root 2 into 1 by root 2 is cancel and you will get 5k cap. Clear check mom. A vector equals to 5 root 2 you are multiplying with the direction cosines vector, that is nothing but 1 by root 2 I plus 0 j plus 1 by root 2 k. 5 root 2 into 1 by root 2, root 2 cancel, 5 I cap. Then 5 root 2 into 1 by root 2 again, you will get root 2 and root 2 will be gets cancelled, 5k cap. So you can stop here, A vector equal to 5I cap plus 5k cap, or you can take 5 as common and get the I cap plus k cap. Clear check. Then going for next question. A vector, B vector are perpendicular vectors. Super. Magnitude of A plus B 13. Again super. Magnitude of A vector is 5. Find the value of magnitude of B vector. So since A vector and B vector are perpendicular children, they itself said both are perpendicular vectors. So that dot product of 0. Oh, that we want to apply like that na? Yes. So when you are doing that, A vector plus B vector dot A vector plus B vector, you will get magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square plus 2 times A vector dot B vector. So what is magnitude of A plus B whole square now? This A magnitude of A plus B 13 we have written. So magnitude of A plus B whole square is 13 square. Magnitude of A square, that is nothing but 5 square, then plus magnitude of B square plus 2 into A vector dot B vector is 0. Plus 5 square goes with China minus 5 square children. And magnitude of A plus B is 13. So 13 square. 169 minus 25 will get. Simple. They said two perpendicular vector. Okay. The dot product 0. Okay. So A plus B and A plus B are just doing A plus B whole square formula. Okay. Then we apply all the values. Then automatically we are getting magnitude of B square equals to 144. Then magnitude of B vector equals to 12. So you know plus or minus 12 we don't want, right? Because length always positive. Clear check pa. Then 108th question ma. Okay, A vector, B vector are what sir? Two unit vectors. Super. Such that A vector plus B vector is also a unit vector. Then find the angle between A and B. This question is there in NCERT book. If you want, you can cross check. Okay, we are want to solve this. Magnitude of A vector 1 na. Yes. Magnitude of B vector also 1 na. Again, yes. Then what is the theta? That is what question mark. So find magnitude of A plus B whole square equals to magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square plus 2 into A vector dot B vector. What's the value? Then A plus B, when we substituting, A plus B value is 1. So magnitude of A plus B value 1 now 1 square. Magnitude of A value again 1 square. Magnitude of B value again 1 square. 2 into magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector, cos theta. So 1 square 1, again here 1 square 1, again here 1 square 1. 2 into 1 into 1 into cos theta. Plus 2 comes this side now minus 2 children. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Multiplication 2 comes this side now what? Division. So cos theta equals to minus 1 by 2. What's our 1 by 2? 1 by 2 is cos 60 degree. So minus cos theta, we can write it as cos 180 degree minus theta. So that way you can write cos 180 minus 60 degree. If you remove the cos, you won't cancel. Actually, cos and cos we won't cancel, you know. So if you remove the cos, you will get theta equals to 120 degree or 2 pi by 3. Sir, why sir you are doing like this? Cos and cos remove directly theta minus 60. We can't write as sir. Like that, I hope you won't ask me. Because cos theta equal to minus cos theta, we can't remove it. Cos x equal to cos y, it's supposed to be there. So only minus cos theta. Second quadrant, cos is negative. Cos 180 minus theta and we written. So cos 180 minus. So minus cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta. It was minus cos theta. Okay. So write cos 180 minus theta. 11th standard part children. So 180 minus 60 is 120. Cos and cos gets removed. Theta equals to 120 degree. Then theta equals to 2 pi by 3. Clear? Check. Therefore, the angle between A vector and B vector is 120 degree or 2 pi by 3. Then going for under the 9th question. A vector, B vector, C vector. Okay. Such that A plus B plus is 0. Magnitude of A is 3. Magnitude of B is 5. Magnitude of C is 7. Find the angle between A vector and B vector. So, A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equals to 0. Plus C vector goes at say now what you check? Minus C vector. And you just go for squaring on both sides. So, that means A plus B plus C is 0 pa. Plus C goes at say now minus C pa. Okay va? Then when you're doing squaring on both sides, you have A plus B whole square. Sir, why is squaring on both sides? To get the value. Now listen, usually, sir, A plus B plus C whole square you do know, sir. That's what our we will do always now. For that, A vector dot B vector, B vector dot C vector, C vector dot A vector, they should ask or they should give. Did they ask you A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A? No. Did they ask you what? Mutually perpendicular or something else? No. They didn't give the value or they didn't ask you value. They asked only angle between A and B. Theta only. Okay. They didn't talk about actually C vector. They have given, but they didn't talk about C. So the C vector you don't want. Don't want, huh? What you will do? Plus C vector goes at side now minus C vector. Then we want to do squaring on both sides. Yes. Because directly A plus B plus C whole square, don't do the sum. Read the question. What we want, what is given, that is ultimately important. Don't say last question like we done. No, same way I have done like that. Don't give that answer. A plus B, A vector plus B vector whole square equals to minus C vector whole square. This you know, magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square plus 2A vector dot B vector equals to magnitude of C square. A vector dot B vector split into magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector, cos theta. Then apply, this is 3 square and here 5 square, again here 3, again here 5, again here 7 square. So 9 plus 25 children and here 49 children. That you will get 34 plus 34 goes that side number. Minus 34. Simply substituting the value. Once we are substituting the value, What, sir? We will get 49, 34, you can subtract. You will get 30 cos theta is 5. 15, sorry. Cos theta equals to 15 by 30. If we cancel, we are getting cos theta is 1 by 2. Theta equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2 children. When 1 by 2 will come, 60 degree it will come and pi by 3 it will come. Both it will come, so it's important. Clear? Check pa. 60 degree or pi by 3, both are same. Both it will come. I am giving some comedy. So both are same. The 110th question, we are same question as 34A. So go through. So that is easier. Nelson, 111. One worksheet la 111th question la I will do like that. I didn't till now think. I thought itself, children, because of your confidence and what motivation, we are reached here. Okay, going to some what x vector minus a vector multiplied with x vector plus a vector equals to 15. Same unit vector a vector yes, magnitude of a vector is 1. Okay, happy. What are you going to do? You going to multiply x vector minus a vector dot x vector plus a vector equals to 15. What is a minus b into a plus b, children? A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So in that way, we are applying here magnitude of x square minus magnitude of a square equals to 15. So then we have to apply the value. What's our value? Unit vector a vector they given. Okay, apply that value 1 square. Minus 1 goes at China plus 1, children. Then you will get 15 plus 1 is 16. Then magnitude of x square 16 now. Sir, magnitude of x vector plus or minus 4 okay va sir? We can't say because length can never be negative. Length always positive. So magnitude of x is 4. This and all one question on my level like that now. Yes. Now going for 112th question. A vector equals to xi cap plus 2j cap minus zk cap. So b vector also they have given 3i cap minus yj cap plus k cap are two equal vectors, children. They itself said it's a equal vector and we have to write the value of x plus y plus z. So they are equal vector. Then you have to equate it and you have to get the answer. Yes. Somewhat like determinants matrices how we will do, children. Same way. I think equality of matrices we used to do corresponding elements. So now same xi cap plus 2j cap minus zk cap equate with 3i cap minus yj cap plus k cap. So I cap coefficient here 3, here x, so x equals to 3. Here j cap coefficient is minus y, here j cap coefficient is 2, minus y 2 now, y equals to minus 2. Here k cap is minus z, here k cap coefficient is 1. So minus z is 1, z is minus 1. So we got one is 3, one is minus 2, one is minus 1. So x plus y plus z is 3 minus 2 minus 1. We got the value 0. Then going to 113th question, children. If the vectors a vector, b vector are such that magnitude of a plus b equals to magnitude of a vector, we have to prove this 2a vector plus b vector is perpendicular to the vector b. What perpendicular? Perpendicular, then the dot product you have to equate with 0. That's only going to do like that now. We'll see. So we're going to prove 2a vector plus b vector perpendicular to b, magnitude of a plus b equal to magnitude of a. This is your given. Do squaring on both sides, children. So magnitude of a plus b whole square equals to magnitude of a square. Apply magnitude of a square plus magnitude of b square plus 2 into a vector dot b vector equals magnitude of a square. Then magnitude of a square and magnitude of a square is removed. So then b vector, magnitude of b vector square, we can write b vector dot b vector. Okay. Then here 2a vector dot b vector. Again, okay. Then anything we can take common, Anna. B vector we can take common. Again, okay. Then you will get b vector plus 2a vector. When two vectors dot product is 0, children, then we can say the two vectors are perpendicular. Is this clear what we are talking? So magnitude of a plus b equal to magnitude of a. Okay. We are doing squaring on both sides. Again, okay. Then we are doing a plus b whole square, literally. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. Here also one magnitude of a square and here also magnitude of a square, we can remove it. Then do this from this step only, it's important. Till this is okay. Magnitude of b vector square, we are writing it as b vector dot b vector. This is new, children. Okay, va? Till this we didn't do any sum. Then you have to take something common. B vector, if you're taking common out, right hand side you take now. Then b vector plus 2a vector you have to do. Then if it is you're getting it 0, then we can say that two vectors are perpendicular. Clear, check pa? Ma 114th question, it's similar to question number 45 ma, and also similar to the book question miscellaneous, very repeated. You can expect this type of question even in your board exam. Okay, so in that a vector is I cap plus j cap plus k cap, b vector is j cap minus k cap. Like this already one model we have done it, but this sum we are doing, I think, with both the way. Find a vector c vector such that a vector cross c is b and a dot c is 3. Yeah, this way, I think this is not in book, but this way we have done already. Okay, a vector is I plus j plus k ma, b vector is j minus k ma, c we don't know. Whenever we don't know the c vector, children, kindly take xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Then apply a vector cross c vector, children. I cap, j cap, k cap. Then a vector coefficient 1, 1, 1. K, B is, that means C vector is X, Y, Z. Then do the expansion. I vector, if you are expanding 1 into Z, Z minus Y. Then if you are doing for minus J, 1 into Z, Z minus X. Then when you are doing for plus K, 1 into Y minus X. Equate with 0. And also a vector cross c vector equals to b vector is given. So you going to equate the a cross c with b vector. So once you are doing that, when you are doing the equation, equating I cap coefficient and here I cap coefficient. Here, sir, where's our I cap? Then write 0. Here is z minus y, here 0. Z minus y equal to 0. Here j cap coefficient is minus of z minus x. Here j cap coefficient is 1. Here k cap coefficient is y minus x. Here k cap coefficient is minus 1. So you can multiply, and here from this we can write y equal to z, because z minus y equal to 0. Same way you can get some equations. Then after that, a vector dot c vector equals to 3. You can equate I cap plus j cap plus k cap dot product xi plus yj plus zk equals to 3. Move. Then you will get multiply na x and j na y, k and k na z, x plus y plus z equals to 3. Substitute y equal to z in the fifth equation. Because we got fifth norma, already y and z are equal. We have done in the previous thing. So you will get chocolate plus chocolate, 2 chocolate. This diagram, if you are not saying na, my class is not even completing, children. So y plus y, 2y. So x plus 2y equals to 3. Then solve it pa. When we start solving, what we will get now? X plus 2y equal to 3 and minus x plus y equal to minus 1 plus x minus 1 gets cancelled. 2 chocolate plus chocolate, 3 chocolate. So 3y, 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Multiplication 3 comes this side now division. So y equals to 2 by 3. Then again y equal to z is there. So y also and z also both are equal. So z equals to 2 by 3. Then x minus 2 by 3 equals to 1 pa. Minus 2 by 3 come this side now, plus 2 by 3. Then you will take LCM and you get the answer x equals to 5 by 3. Substitute x, y, z in the C vector. Then you will, so normally we started equating this question and it was, so nice question ma, you can expect. So again, once you go through, if you have a doubt also, you can ask me. Then going for 115th question, children. So again we are talking about this I cross J cross K, but once again we will see this type of question. Ma I vector cross J vector na K cap, I cap cross J cap na K cap ma. See this direction. I, J, K. I cross J, K. J cross K, I cap. K cross I, J cap. Reverse. J cross I they ask na minus K cap. K cross J they ask na minus I cap. I cross K they ask na minus J cap. Then dot product. Okay, va? So I dot J, I dot K like the different dot product comes na 0. Only I dot I is 1. J dot J is 1. K dot K is 1. Okay, va? So dot cross difference is there. Okay, now what we have to do? Like that. Now just see I dot J, I cross J value what? This is what they given. I cross J dot K plus I vector dot J only they have given in the question. Easy. I cross J K. Super. Dot K. Again super. I dot J value is 0. Now only we saw. Dot product different cap na different axis cap. Then you will get 0. K cap dot K cap magnitude of K square that is nothing but 1. So we know that K cap dot K cap 1. Sir, then like this sum comes na itself 1 is the answer. Why sir unnecessarily I want to do like that na? Wait karo like that slang I want to say that they are same way another set they have given this sum. What this sum na? K vector cross J vector J cap. K cap cross J cap I cap plus J cap dot K cap. As usual, J cross K na I. K cross J na reverse it is minus I. J vector dot K cap this all 0 da. So K cross J K minus I and here I. And J cap dot K cap is 0. So I cap dot I cap we all know that is 1. But here it will be minus 1. Why say minus 1? Like that you ask now. Because here it is reversed. Here J cross K dot I was there. Now it is plus 1. So then two options now. Just you want to see this question whether it is in proper order or different order. I, J, proper order. Then answer is 1. J, K, proper order 1. K, I, like that comes now 1. But reverse, K, J they have asked. Or J, I, or I, K, like that reversed, they have given the value now. For that answer minus 1. Then also two option only, no sir. Na. Yes, two option only. Easy also. 116th question pa. Find the scalar component vector AB with the initial point 2, 1, terminal point minus 5, 7. What is the formula for initial and terminal? Na? Scalar component of AB x2 minus x1 then y2 minus y1. So x2 and x1 you have to subtract x1 y1 x2 y2. X2 is minus 5, x1 is 2. So minus 5 minus 2 minus 7 children. Y2 minus y1, 7 minus 1, we got 6. Sir, write any vector, sir. Right hand side in the paper vector they are given. That is not correct. So just they have asked scalar component. So just write x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 is enough. If they asked vector component something else now only with I cap, J cap, you want to write it. I hope you understood, ma. I think this question only I thought to inform one of the important question. So A vector is given children. A vector is what now? I cap plus 4j plus 2k. B vector is given 3i minus 2j plus 7k. C vector is given 2i minus j plus 4k. We want to find the vector P vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. Then P vector dot C vector equal to 18. Same ABC vector is given even in our NCERT book, but here dot product they have given 15. And instead of P vector dot C vector, the vector name is different. Other things all same. I have when I'm teaching, I have solved you two methods. The same two methods I'm teaching, I'm going to discuss to you here also. In that, which method you feel convenient that you can do. And here again, one of the expected question in exam, if they want to ask minimum 3 mark in vector algebra, they are proceeding like this type of sum. So P vector is xi cap plus j cap plus zk cap. P vector is perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. So the dot product P vector dot A vector equal to 0. So xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap dot I cap plus 4j cap plus 2k cap equal to 0. So do the dot product, children. So you will get x plus 4y plus 2z equal to 0. Sir, why sir you're doing this and all? They said no, p vector is perpendicular to both a, b. So p vector is perpendicular to a na what? Two vector perpendicular na what? That dot product is 0. That is what we are doing. Xi cap plus yj plus zk dot I cap plus 4j plus 2k equal to 0. Then you will get this x plus 4y plus 2z equal to 0. Then p vector dot b vector equals to 0 now. Again xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap dot b vector ma 3i cap minus 2j cap plus 7k cap equal to 0. Okay, so you're getting it 3x minus 2y plus, this is actually looks 7 children, this is 7 is it equal to 0. Another equation. Then they have given you p vector dot c vector equal to 18. Again dot product. P vector we are considering xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap dot product with 2i minus j plus 4k equal to 18. Then we are getting this equation. Children, I'm not preferring this method, so I just written solving 1, 2, 3. We will get x value, y value, z value. So you can solve using even elimination method. Don't go with the determinant method. Okay, matrix inversion method, it will take time. So normal elimination method you do and get the values, apply that value in the thing and get. So good news in this model is the steps till this third equation, we won't have any doubts. This method was very familiar, no issues of when we are doing this type of, that is the good news in this. But is what is the drawback now? It may take lengthy when we are solving and go for it. What is the another method? This is the, I prefer this method actually, shorter method, but you have to understand. So what's are they said, what's are we should understand now. Again going to the question, just read the question what they've asked you. Find a vector p vector. Okay, p vector, find that p vector is perpendicular to both a and b. We want to find a vector that is perpendicular to both a and b. Like that they have given now. We have to say that cross product of that vector a cross b is a perpendicular vector. Okay, a vector b vector that perpendicular na, a cross b is a perpendicular vector to both a and b. That is basic concept. A cross b is what vector number? Perpendicular vector. A cross b is perpendicular vector for what vectors? A vector and b vector. If this is a perpendicular, then p vector equals to lambda into a vector cross b vector we can write. Once we can able to write p vector equals to lambda into a cross b, then write lambda. Then do the a cross b by using determinants, children. I cap, j cap, k cap. A vector coefficient 1, 4, 2. B vector 3, minus 2, 7. Then do the what? Expansion. When you're doing the expansion, you're getting 32 I cap minus j cap minus 14 k cap. Okay, you are saying what you're saying? A cross B is a perpendicular vector, you're saying? Yes. Perpendicular, then P vector you can write into like a parallel, you can write lambda A cross B, you can saying? Yes. And P vector dot C vector 18, this is like a last time only. When you're doing the dot product for thing, and we will get it p dot c equal to 18. Now we got what p vector is lambda into a cross b. So p vector we got the second equation that we going to substitute in the dot product. Lambda I kept out, children. 32 2s are 64 and minus 1 1s are minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. 14 4s are minus 56. So 65 and 56 subtracting 9. 9 lambda 8. Lambda equal to 18 by 9 lambda equal to 18. Lambda equal to 18 by 9 is 2. Sum over find value of lambda. Sum not it over. Lambda you should substitute in p vector, then it will be over. Just substitute 2 into 32i, 2 into minus j, 2 into minus 14k. So 64i minus 2j plus 28 minus 28k. Clear check. Then 118th smaller one only. Line has a direction ratios. What are its direction cosines? So as usual, magnitude you find root over 2 square plus minus 1 square, then plus minus 2 square, that is nothing but root 9, 3. Direction cosines are x by r, like 2 by 3, minus 1 by 3, and minus 2 by 3. Direction ratios is given and direction cosines given on this formula we have discussed. And this model we have already done, but the number is different, so I am doing now. Find lambda. Projection of A vector and B vector is 4. Okay, well, they want to find projection of A and B value they've given. They want to just find the lambda. Apply ma. Projection of A and B is 4. Okay. What is the projection of A vector and B vector na? A vector dot B vector by magnitude of B vector. So A dot B you find lambda I plus j plus 4k dot product 2i plus 6j plus 3k. Lambda into 2, 1 into 6, 4 into 3. 2 lambda plus 6 plus 12 children. So 6 plus 12 is 18. So 2 lambda plus 18. Then magnitude of B vector equals to root over 4 plus 36 plus 9. So root 49 equals to 7. So A dot B is nothing but 2 lambda plus 18. Then magnitude of B vector is 7. Division 7 goes at China multiplication children. So we got 4 sevens are 28. Plus 18 comes here now minus 18. So 2 lambda equals to 28 minus 18. So 2 lambda is 10. Lambda equals to 10 by 2. That's nothing but lambda equals to 5. Clear check? Important. Then going for this is our favorite sum. A, B, C given and A plus B plus C 0. And magnitude of A given, magnitude of B given, magnitude of C given. We are finding the value of A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. Today when I am doing one sum, I have just said you why we are not doing it. Which sum when you're doing, you remember? When we are doing today 109th sum. See, familiar. 119. What fancy children. 109 sum today when we are doing, I have said you y plus c goes with sign minus c. Why we are not applying this a plus b plus c whole square, I said, because we don't want a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a. There they asked only angle between a and b. But here they asked find the value of a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a. Did you understand the difference between 109th question and 119th question? 119th question is familiar only. 109th question only is not that much familiar. So, as usual, a plus b plus c 0 na, the dot product you can do it. Then do magnitude of a square plus magnitude of b square plus magnitude of c square. Then 2 into 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So 2 take common na, ab plus bc plus ca. Apply all these values children. 5 square plus 12 square plus 13 square na. If you add all the things, you are getting it as 238 plus 238 goes inside na minus 238. Then multiplication comes this side now pa. If this multiplication 2 comes this in a division, and we got the answer as minus 169. Then for what values of a, the vectors, both the vectors are collinear, they are asking children. So once one vector I will written, a vector, another vector I will written, b vector, both are collinear. So a vector equals to lambda b vector. So 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap equals to lambda into I cap ai cap plus 6j cap minus 8k cap. So when we are equating this, what you will get, you check. You going to multiply. What you going to multiply? See, here we have lambda a is I cap coefficient. Here we have 2. Can we write lambda a equals to 2? Same way here you have 6 lambda actually. Here you have minus 3. 6 lambda minus 3 now. Lambda equals to minus 3 by 6 minus 1 by 2. That minus 1 by 2 in first equation we substituted now. So you will get 2 equals to minus 1 by 2a. So multiplication 2 goes with China division. Division 2 goes with China multiplication 2 2s are 4. So minus a 4 na, a is minus 4. Simplification children, once first what you are doing, we are equating. Again it's like a vector lambda b so collinear we have written and we are equating that term and we are getting answer. So 121st question, vectors a and b such that magnitude of a2, magnitude of b1, a vector dot b vector is 1. We're going to find the value of 3a vector plus minus 5b vector dot 2a vector plus 7b vector. Both multiply pa. 3 2s are 6 is 6 magnitude of a square. Then 3 7s are 21. Then a vector dot b vector. 5 2s are 10 minus 10 fb vector dot a vector. 5 7s are 35 minus 35 magnitude of b square. Then apply the value. Very simple only. Just substituting the value and getting the answer. So 21 chocolate minus 10 chocolate become 11 chocolate children. That chocolate la what is A vector dot B vector value? No, 1. Magnitude of A's value on the 2. So we got 2 squares. So 6 into 2 squares, 6 fours are 24. And here plus 11, here minus 35. So 35 minus 35, we are getting the answer it as 0. So vectors A vector and B vector are such that magnitude of A dot B equals to magnitude of A cross B. Then what is the angle between A vector and B vector? So you can equate both ma. Magnitude of A dot B equal to magnitude of A cross B. This is very nice and expected question also. So we can write dot product magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector cos theta. And here magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector sin theta. So this both have been gets removed now. Cos theta and sin theta we can equate it. That is nothing but cos by sin equals to 1. Or sin by cos equals to 1, tan 1 also we can write. Usually tan lump they will prefer. I kept the sign here and I returned cos by sin cot. When pa cot la 1 will come now. Obviously 45 degree light will be 1. So theta equal to pi by 4 or 45 degree. So angle between A and B is pi by 4. Then 123 ma, that one was cut actually. So don't say, sir, 23rd question like that. Don't feel 123. Okay, va? So vectors A vector and B vector are such that magnitude of A is root 3, magnitude of B is 2 by 3. A vector cross B vector is a unit vector. We're going to find, we're going to write the angle between A and B. This is also very simple, and I think we have done this type of sum. Only difference is same some type of sum we have done even in NCERT, but magnitude of A root 3 is given. Actually, their magnitude of A 3 will be given. That is the difference. I think today also, I hope we have done like this on some. A vector cross B vector is a unit vector. Magnitude of A cross B equals to 1. Okay. Go for magnitude of A cross B formula, please. 1. Magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector. This value root 3 and here 2 by 3. Then it will become sine theta. Then 3a can we write it as root 3 into root 3 children. So if you can write now root 3 and root 3 remove. So you're getting this 2 by root 3. Multiplication 2 by root 3 goes that sign of division. I'm just showing you with the symbol. So then it can get reciprocal. 2 by root 3 can be 3 by root 3 by 2. Check children. So sine theta equals to root 3 by 2. So when it will be root 3 by 2 now 60 degree. So theta is 60 degree. So angle between A and B is 60. I think usually 30 degree will come. So 124th question same pa 47A model repeated only easy. Then 125 again our own favorite question. Today also we have done. I hope you know where we have done. I think 119th or something. So there we have done this type of question. 119th second subdivision we have done this. Okay. Again same way ma. A plus B plus C 0. We are doing that part. Sir, why sir we are doing A plus B plus C whole square? 119th I said no. 109th question we have done differently. Because they didn't ask A dot P plus B dot C plus E dot A. They have asked only angle between A and B. But here they are asking this value. So only we are doing A plus B plus C the whole square. Do the formula magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square, then magnitude of C square plus 2 into A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. That will help. And the magnitude of A value is 7, 7 square, then 24 square, 25 square. So if you are adding now, here one 625, another one 625. 625 plus 625 we added 1250 plus 1250 goes at sign of minus 1250. Multiplication 2 goes at sign of division. And we got at last the answer is minus 625. Then 126th question, an important MCQ repeatedly they are asking. ABCD is a parallelogram. ACBD are its diagonals. What is AC vector plus BD vector? So that is what they are asking. You can draw the diagram for our better understanding. ABCD is a parallelogram. AB parallel to CD, BC parallel to DA. You can draw. So AC vector when we are going to reach the time AB plus BC. AB plus BC. BD when going to reach BC plus CD. Then we just want to substitute only. So AC vector AB plus BC no. Then BD BC plus CD no we written na. AB CD is not same as per this. So AB vector equal to minus CD vector. You substitute. So you will get that AB is minus CD now. Minus CD plus CD gets removed. Chocolate plus chocolate, 2 chocolate. So BC plus BC is 2BC. So option C is the answer. So 127 is same like 108th question, children. Same sum, not same like same sum. Rougher like that. One student is used to write down whatever. So the last question, projection I cap on vector I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. So projection formula. So we have taken a vector as I cap and b vector as I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. The formula projection of a vector on b vector. A vector dot b vector by magnitude of b vector. Substitute. So a dot b now 1 ones are and j nothing is there, 0 ones are, then 0 into 2. So we got a dot b is 1. Then magnitude of b vector is root over 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. So root 6. So the formula when we are applying, we are getting root 6. So projection of a on b is 1 by root 6, children. So successfully we have completed the vector. I hope 3D also I thought going to do it. So just need your support. Forward to your friends like this is there. So they also will study and it will be helpful for 12th standard math students. Thank you.